Dream life doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who do something. If you want freedom, start by working hard. Study, learn, prepare. Every small effort counts. If you want money, create it. Start a job, save, invest, build the foundation for tomorrow. If you want freedom, take action. Start a business, chase your ideas, start doing something now. Time doesn't wait. Every moment wasted is opportunity lost. You don't have to do everything at once, but do something, anything. Start today. That's how dreams turn into life.